Just a quick discussion here on belt sizes for different pulleys. I've got an EMPI pulley on right now. Just took off this scat pulley that I was having some issues with, and the stock pulleys right here. This is a belt that came with, I think this is a stock size belt. It came with the 75 amp alternator kit. I ordered one of these for another engine that I'm building, so this came with it. So when I put this thing on here, took the scat pulley off, I was having issues with the belt that I did have on there, laying over here. It's too loose. Put this one on that came with this alternator kit. That one was also too loose, so I looked up some sizing and everything on it. There's numbers on it. Ended up with this one right here from O'Reilly. There's the specs if you want it, and that actually fit pretty well in here in the EMPI pulley. So you can see it fits pretty flush on the sides here. If you fit it to a scat pulley, it's gonna be, this is just a little bit too wide for the groove that's in a scat pulley. It fits in here pretty nicely, slightly smaller than stock. For reference, I have one shim in here. Probably going to loosen it up a little bit. It is a bit tight right now, but we've got plenty more room to loosen it. And this one works pretty well. So again, here's the numbers on it if you're looking to fit it. And if you're looking for a stock pulley, there's numbers for that one. The length on this one is like 912 millimeters, compared to this one is like 905. 904. That's it.